students, we'll solve a question from the chapter Metals and Non-Metals. The question says, in electrolytic refining of a metal M, what would you take as the anode, the cathode and the electrolyte? So when we do the electrolytic refining, the cathode which we use is the pure metal. So we'll use pure metal M in this case. And at the place of anode, we use the impure metal. So impure metal M is taken as anode. And talking about the electrolyte, we'll take any salt solution of that metal. It can be sulfate, it can be nitrate, anything which will be available. So electrolyte, it will be salt solution of metal M. For example, let us understand the process of electrolytic refining of copper metal. So we'll take a beaker in which we'll pour salt solution of copper. In this case, let us assume that salt solution to be copper sulfate. So this is the salt solution. Let us assume it to be copper sulfate, which is CuSO4. And we'll take two electrodes and we'll dip them here in the salt solution. We'll connect these electrodes with a switch and a battery or cell. And as this terminal is the positive terminal, as it is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, therefore this is anode. And this is the negative terminal, as it is connected by the negative terminal of the battery, therefore it is cathode. And anode in the electrolytic refining is made up of impure metal. It means it will be made up of impure copper metal. And cathode is made up of pure metal. It means it will be made up of pure copper. So in both the electrodes will have copper solid, but in the solution form we'll have copper ions. It means Cu2 positive. And here we'll have copper. Here also we'll have copper with some impurities. Now at anode, oxidation will start, and due to which copper solid will be converted into copper ions, and that copper ions will float in the solution. At cathode, reduction will occur, due to which copper ions will be converted into copper solid. Therefore, with time you will see that anode electrode will start thinning. It will start to become thin, and at cathode you will see the deposition of pure copper. It means the impurity which will be left over behind, these will be collected here, and these are named as anode mud. This is nothing but the impurities which are present at impure copper. So this is the only point, that from impure copper, copper ions are coming from the anode to cathode and making the cathode electrode more thicker, and as the ions are coming out from anode, making that electrode to be thinner. Hope you understood the problem. See you in the next one.